Master the art of coffee with the Cuisinart DCC-3200P1. The Cuisinart DCC-3200P1 coffee maker is a sleek, stainless steel powerhouse designed for coffee enthusiasts. Its 14-cup capacity and brew strength control cater to diverse preferences. The programmable timer lets you wake up to freshly brewed coffee, and the self-cleaning feature simplifies upkeep. While its size might not suit smaller kitchens, and the water reservoir can be tricky to clean, its performance and style make it a worthy addition to any home. Pros: stylish design, large capacity, customizable brew strength, programmable timer, self-cleaning function. Cons: bulky, challenging reservoir cleaning. Thank you for watching TechTally review. Click the link in the description to check out this coffee maker and support the channel.